Welcome back. In today's class, let's learn how to make these open casings between the walls. Okay, so whenever there is an opening between the wall, we call it as an open casing. Okay, casing is nothing but which goes through the three sides or four sides of an wall. So now here, if you notice, there is an opening. Okay, so what is the process to make these kind of open casings? So let's understand that. First of all, just make your markings. Okay, let's say I would like to make exactly at the center. Okay, so exactly at the center I would like to make my markings, and I would like to give around like 20 inches on either side, 20 inches on both the sides I would like to give opening, and height should be around like 7 feet. Now I have done my marking. To understand how to place these construction lines, you can go back to our video where we have explained about how to use the tape tool. Okay, so now here let's create an opening. Just triple click the wall because it's already a group, and I would like to activate my rectangle tool so that I can give a push. I would like to remove the entire material here. Okay, just come back. Now what am I going to do is simply, because this is running, the entire casing is on the three sides. Okay, so left, right and top, we can simply apply the follow me tool here. Okay, so follow me tool, we need a path and also a profile. So based on the profile, let's see how exactly we are going to apply the dimensions. So we'll give 3 by 4 inches on all the sides. Okay, so 3 by 4, and from here I would like to give around like 3 to 4 inches. Okay, so I would like to give 3 to 4 inches. On the other side also I have to do the same process. I need to give 3 by 4 inches. So let me give 3 by 4 inches. So we are trying to make a profile here. Okay, so it's a simple profile. We are not making it much more complicated. A simple design we are trying to create it on the other end. Okay, so now here just use your rectangle tools as much as possible. Try to make it very simple, and once it is done, I have used 3 times rectangle. Remove these lines which you see in between. So you can just remove these lines whatever you have. Now when you make a selection, entire face should get selected. So that's how you try to make your modeling. Now simply what we do is like just make a copy of it, because for some reason it may get deleted, so you'll have a backup for that. So I'll remove everything, all the construction lines apart from my wall. I don't want to see anything else, and also the profile is available. So I would like to actually make a group for some time only, not for the rest of the drawing, because I have to apply the follow me tool, because I am gonna apply the path here. Okay, so we should not get confused with the object which is created, because they together will form one single object if it is not grouped. Okay, so now simply what I'm gonna do is make it explode. We are trying to come out of the group. Okay, remove the group to it. Now simply select your path that you have. So just try to select holding your shift key. Hold your shift key to select all the 3 lines, and then select your follow me tool which is there on the left side. Click on that and then select the face. Now just simply observe what exactly has happened. Give right click and you can call it as make a group, and go to your components. Okay, so try to apply any material, and let's apply this only here what I see. Now this is how you can make an open casing. Okay, so if you want, we can apply one more type of profile as well. If you feel to do, if you have to make more practice and get a complete grip, so let's try to get a small design here. So I'm going to apply a arc here. Okay, so just to make it little more different, that's it. So now from here I would like to apply a small fillet condition. Okay, and then if you want, you can just mirror it, and if you just select, there is an option called as flip along. Okay, so if you want, you can just do that as well. And before that, what I'm going to do is I'll just remove the unwanted lines. Okay, so just remove whatever you don't want to see here. So let's say I want to delete this. Okay, remove the face first of all. So in this way it will be easily deleted. Now simply other end also you just mirror it. it. In case if you're facing any issues to apply the mirror tool, you need not worry at all. Automatically you can do it in this manner, the process which I'm trying to explain you. Okay, don't worry, sometimes it doesn't get activated, so we can apply the simplest process here, using which it becomes easier for all of us. So just select it, the corners that you have. Okay, so let us just place it, and now here let's apply our tool. Okay, as usual all the markings are there as per the other side, so you can just simply make a use of it. So now if I want, I can just select it. Okay, and give arc. So from here to here I'm trying to apply, right, just a small one, as we know. Similarly on the other side also we are trying to do, and what we have to do, first of all, remove the faces. That's how we have to understand. So just remove them. So this is how you got it. Okay, now simply remove everything, all the lines here, and then if you want, you just make a component, and we have discussed about how to create a component as well. So this is my open casing profile, so I'm giving the same name, profile 1, and clicking on create option, and I'll make one more copy here, and then let me do one more thing. I'll just make a copy of this casing along the other side. Okay, so now I can delete it and again create your path, as simple as that. Okay, and whenever you have three sides, you should always keep these profiles at the bottom only. Okay, don't try to keep it on the center, on the top portion. It should be in this manner only. See, you have to understand, when you're creating a follow me object, okay, you should know where you're placing the profile. Are you placing them horizontally, vertically, at the center of the object, where you're placing? Then only you will get the right object. So in the previous classes also I've explained, and again I'm repeating the same concept here. Okay, now I'll just explode it. As we know, we have to apply, so we need to make sure the entire path is selected. Then you have to select your follow me tool and select the surface and apply your material. Okay, so apply it thoroughly. So now I did a small mistake because I didn't group it, so it is very difficult for me to apply the material. So observe the difference. Okay, so you just need to know what is the opening dimension, and you should have the profile what you would like to create here, and automatically you will be able to make your open casings. Okay, so these are called as open casings or open cased objects. Okay, so we'll come up with more designs, more patterns in the coming sessions. Meanwhile, you just have a practice. In case if you have any queries, you can always reach us. Okay, hope all the videos are very useful to all of you. Thank you.